When you walk, I stumble. When you talk, I mumble. And when you smile, I have to turn away. When you shine, I'm cloudy. When you climb, I'm doubting that I won't fall before I reach the top. But you don't care. You're always there. And you take me as I am. You take me as I am. You don't attempt to change me or rearrange my flaws. When the lightning's flashing, when the waves are crashing, and I feel like a ship that's run aground, there's a light that's shining through the night. You're blinding. You lift me up before I start to drown. But you don't care. You're always there. And you take me as I am. You take me as I am. You don't attempt to change me or rearrange my flaws. And you dare to understand, and still you take me as I am. You've given me a place where I can just belong.
Beijão, galera! É o mirante entre Kenepa Pequena e Kenepa Grande.
O mirante entre Kenepa Pequena e Kenepa Grande. Então é aqui, ó.
Here lie the ashes of all the fiery crashes of everyone to ever rush to love. Past the stop signs and speed bumps, careening toward the tree trunks, perched above the edges of the bluff. The splendor in the tender skin, the long forgotten earthly hymn, the silent theft, the violent breath of life. Just replay the...
Aqui é a praia Lagoon. Então, pessoal, olha só. Olha esse mar. Esse verde do mar.
Place where I can just be